Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Matpati and I am honored to represent a groundbreaking project under the Ministry of Law and Justice in India for Smart India Hackathon. Today, I am excited to share our vision for a smarter and more informed India. Before delving into the details of our project, I'd like to illustrate the situation which was driving motivation for us, introducing one of my team members, Aman, who will provide some insights.
Okay, so I'm Aman Srivastava. In 2010, my family owned a flat in Ulve, Mumbai, and there used to be a Gram Panchayat of Ulve. But then, after a certain period of time, Ulve came under CIDCO. However, we were supposed to pay a certain amount of housing tax only to CIDCO, but we were also paying it to the Gram Panchayat of Ulve. Therefore, due to lack of information and awareness, we were unnecessarily paying an extra amount for a certain period of time.
Thank you, Aman, for sharing your experience. As you can see, this is just a glimpse of challenges many people in India face. It's time for a change and we are proposing a solution which will make a significant difference. Our solution is to create a digital assistant for legal awareness. We believe this innovation will bridge the information gap, empower citizens with legal knowledge and ultimately contribute to a smarter India. Now, let me walk you through the website and the app that we have developed. Our app and website have been meticulously designed to provide easy access to legal information and guidance. Some of the key features of our app and website include various domains for asking questions, precisely, multilingual support, and then also voice assistant and separate FAQ section.
This is the homepage of our website, and then there is a separate login section at the top right, and then there's a carousel. And as we scroll down, there are various features that have been listed with a separate contact us section at the bottom.
As you can see, this is the login page and the user has to provide an email ID, after which this is the interface that has been loaded. This is Law GPT. As you can see, there are various law categories over here. There's Constitution of India, labor laws, family laws, vehicle laws, property laws and criminal laws. Now, if a person has to ask a question to Law GPT, let's consider an example. What are the fundamental rights of a citizen? So this is the answer that has been generated. Below listed are the source documents from which Law GPT has generated the answer. This answer is much easier to understand than the legal language in the documents. This shows the presence of KYR, Know Your Rights framework as mentioned in the problem statement. Let's consider another example.
Let's take it under the property laws. So if we write what should be included in legal document to establish clear property boundaries in a real estate context. So here is the result, that a description of the property boundaries. So there are certain things that have been listed in bullet points. This makes tasks for us users even more easier to understand what all should be included under the legal document, and the sources have been defined.
Highlighting the multilingual feature, if a user asks in Marathi, संविधानाने नागरिकांना कोणते अधिकार दिले आहेत? The query is also answered in Marathi, as you can see it over here. Similarly, it can be asked in other Indian regional languages such as Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, etc. To make it more accessible to people, here is one of the most important features, that is voice assistant. So that any common man or any common person can ask the question vocally in any language and get the response in the same manner.
Opening the app's interface is very similar to that of a website, so that it's much easier and comfortable for users to use it. And this app will be on the fingertips for legal awareness and assistance. Now there are various law domains that have been offered over here. Now users can post questions and receive answers complete with the source documents as shown over here. Demonstrating the voice assistant in the app, there's a voice assistant symbol where I can go and speak भारत में different गाड़ियों की speed limit क्या है, and we'll have our results over here. As I spoke over here in Hindi, other people can use their own regional languages such as Marathi, Bengali, or Punjabi or any other language and get their answers in that specific language, which will make the app even more accessible to people and more user friendly.
Now that you have a clear understanding of how our digital legal awareness assistant works, let's delve into the immense business potential it holds. Our app is poised to launch in collaboration with Government of India, establishing credibility, authenticity and ensuring broader public awareness. Secondly, India has over 700 million smartphone users with services like UPI. Law GPT aims to support this digital transformation. Another one is that legal service sector in India has traditionally been offline, creating a significant untapped market for accessible online too. Furthermore, it will help startups and businesses for legal support and assistance. Thank you.